So in today's video, I'm going to just go through a list of all the high yield dividend ETFs available in market. There are few companies have just come up in the market, and yield max ETFs, they are in the market since many months. And as you know, there is a lot of chatter about some of the high yield ETFs such as TSLY with a distribution rate of 61.43%, OARK 33.82%, APLY 31.98%, NVDY 40.61%, MZY 41.09%, FPY 28.69%, GUI 25.37%, CONI 76.43%, NFLY 34.82%, DISO Disney 16.14%, Microsoft MSFO 16.26%, XOMO, that is ExxonMobil 18.52%, JPMO 15.82%, and these are the new ones that have just come up in the market: AMDY, PYPY, SQY, and the latest one is MRNY. So MRNY is based on covered call ETF for Moderna. Moderna ticker symbol mRNA, which is the manufacturer of vaccines for COVID and others. 52-week range 72 to 217. So obviously it is at a 52-week low. And so this is the latest addition from yield max ETF mRNY. Just writing covered call on Moderna, and we'll see next month what's the distribution rate. With all these high yield ETFs, the question comes up, what can go wrong with yield max ETFs? So I have a video in my channel. You may just want to look at it. What can go wrong with yield max ETF and what may be the solution? I have also made another video on revealing my my portfolio consisting of high yield dividend ETFs. So in my previous video, I have explained what is my strategy to buy these high yield ETFs. Again, in a summary, my strategy is not to invest specifically just entire, whatever you have in your portfolio in just one or few high yield ETFs, because as you already aware that the prices can go drastically lower for all these high yield ETFs after the distribution. In any case, let's go with other high yield ETFs available in market. So next in our list is two ETFs from Defiance. In this particular video, I'm not going to too much detail into technical aspect of the ETFs. I just wanted to give you a list of all the high yield ETFs, high yield dividend ETFs available in market. So couple of them from Defiance. The first one is JEPY, the S&P 500 Enhanced Option Income ETF. The current distribution rate for JEPY is 55.17%, and it writes put on S&P 500 using daily options, one-day options to seek enhanced income for investors, and it is paid monthly. The second high yield ETF is QQQY, and current distribution rate for QQQY is 67.55%. And again, QQQY writes daily put options on Nasdaq 100 index. Next is CLIP, ticker symbol KLIP, from Crenshaws, which is a China Internet and Covered Call Strategy ETF. Current yield for CLIP is 51.27%, and it's paid monthly. And there is new ETFs have come in the market from RexShares. RexShares have two ETFs, particularly TSLT, which is single stock ETF on Tesla, and NVDX for Nvidia. In addition to these two, RexShares have also one that has 15 big tech companies with one covered call strategy. Ticker symbol is FEPI, FANG, and other big tech companies. The distribution percentage or distribution rates have not yet come up in the market. Probably we'll see next month. So in addition to this list, I have also 15 high monthly dividend stocks that can pay your car loan, rent or vacation for 2023 and 2024, of course. This one is on my channel if you want to take a look, but I will just go through quickly through the list and some other high yield dividend paying stocks, particularly monthly paying stocks. The first one is JEPUK, JP Morgan Nasdaq Equity Premium Income ETF, yield 11.80%. Of course, compared to Yield Max, Rexers and others, the yield is comparatively lower, but still it's good to be in the range of anything about 10% is good. So first one is JEPQ. Next is SVOL, Simplify Volatile Premium ETF, yield 16.98%. Then comes JEPI, JP Morgan Equity Premium Income ETF, yield 9.99%. Next is XYLD, Global X S&P 500 Covered Call ETF, current price 37.53%. RYLD, Global X Russell 2000 Covered Call ETF, current yield 11.91%. Next is popular XYLD with assets of 7.68 billion with yield of 12.14%, current price 16.35. 52-week range is 15.66 to 18.16. Next is one of my favorites, ABR, Arbor Realty Trust Incorp, current yield 13.43%, 52-week range $10.10 to 17.74. So it's a good time to buy. 12.48% is the current price. Next is ACP, Aberdeen Income Credit Strategies Fund, 52-week range 561 to 863, current price 564. So all these funds ETF, some of them are quite low or 52-week low, potentially a good buy. As short, a small amount can be justifiable at this particular price range. The current dividend yield is 21.16%. Ticker symbol again is ACP. AGNC Investment Corp, current yield 20.20%, 52-week range is 6.98 to 12.25, so it's almost at 52-week low, current price 7.03, again very high yield 20.20%. Next in the list is CEFD, Extras Monthly Pay 1.5% Leverage Close End Fund Index ETN, yield is 16.23%, current price 1581, 52-week range 1548 to 2402, so quite low at this level. Maybe a small amount can be put towards CEFD. Another one is DX, Dynex Capital Inc. 15.84% is current dividend yield. 52-week range again 9.57 to 15, quite low, almost 52-week low at this price range. ET Energy Transfers LP, current yield 9.21%. Next is NLY, current yield 17.25%. Then comes OXSQ, Oxford Square Capital Corp, dividend yield 14.58%. PCF, High Income Securities Fund, dividend yield 12.65%. Prospect Capital Corporation PSEC, dividend yield 13.36%. Ready Capital Corporation, ticker symbol RC, 12.37%. If you're looking for a little bit safer dividend yield, then this one is from NEO, SPYI. This is the S&P 500 High Income ETF. The distribution yield is 12.22% and it's paid monthly. USOI Credit Suisse X-Legs Credit Oil Shares Covered Call ETN, dividend yield 24.03%. ARDC Ayers Dynamic Credit Allocation Fund, 11.64% dividend yield. BlackRock Capital Allocation Term Trust BCAT, 11.03% dividend yield. Blackstone Mortgage Trust Inc. BXMT, 12.49%. CEFS, Saba Closed End Funds ETF, 11.21%. Another popular fund, CLM, Cornerstone Strategic Value Fund Inc., market cap 1.42 billion and dividend yield 21.05%. DLY, Double Line Yield Opportunities Fund, 10.08%. GNL, Global Net Lease Inc., 18.11%. GOF, 17.93%. 52-week range 10.96 to 17.39, quite low at this point. Attractive entry if someone wants to just jump into with a small amount. GUT, the Gabelli Utility Trust, 10.2%. HGLB, Highland Global Allocation Fund, 14.0%. OBDC, Blue Owl Capital Corporation, dividend yield 9.95%. TEAF, Ecofin Sustainable and Social Impact Term Fund, current yield 9.37%. So again, in this video I tried to provide you list of very high yield dividend ETFs, starting from Yield Max ETF with 60-70% or more dividend yield distribution up to about 9 to 10% either ETF or stocks. Again, this is not a financial advice, so do your diligence before investing any amount in any of this particular list. But again, please like and subscribe. Please let me know in comment section if I have missed anything, or if there is any particular ETF or stocks ticker that you liked and you will advise or maybe provide more information. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in next video.